Hey everyone, it's high five time. Top picks, endless possibilities, everything and anything you need. Today we're diving into something that's literally changing the way we live and work. Artificial intelligence. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking for ways to simplify your daily tasks, these AI tools are going to blow your mind. In this video, I'm going to share 5 AI tools that can help you save time, boost productivity, and even get a bit creative. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for the last one. It's a game changer. Which of these tools will blow your mind today? Let's find out. First up, we've got ChatGPT, the ultimate AI assistant for everything. Whether you're writing an essay, crafting a professional email, or even brainstorming new ideas, ChatGPT has your back. And it's not just about text. You can ask it to generate ideas for your next YouTube video, give coding tips, or even create a to-do list. It's like having a 24/7 assistant, and the best part? You can try it for free. I've been using ChatGPT to come up with content ideas and even polish my scripts. Seriously, it saved me hours. Next on the list is Midjourney, an AI tool that turns text prompts into beautiful artistic images. Want to create a unique logo? Or maybe a futuristic landscape for your desktop wallpaper? Just type in what you want, and Midjourney brings it to life. Look at these cool designs. You don't even need any design skills. Just type, and boom, you've got an art piece in seconds. Organization junkies, this one's for you. Notion AI is a powerful tool that not only organizes your notes and projects, but also helps you automate tasks, summarize long articles, and even come up with templates. I use Notion AI to manage my YouTube schedule, write blog posts, and keep track of all my random ideas. It's basically a second brain, and once you start using it, there's no going back. Ever wish video editing could be a bit faster? Runway is an AI video editor that helps you cut, enhance, and add effects to your footage with just a few clicks. I've been using it to edit my YouTube videos, and honestly, it's a game changer. You can remove backgrounds, add VFX, and color correct automatically. Say goodbye to hours of editing. And finally, here's the one you've all been waiting for. Pictory AI. This tool transforms your scripts, blog posts, or even articles into professional-looking videos. You don't need any editing skills or fancy equipment. Pictory does it all. All you have to do is upload your text, and it automatically creates scenes, adds transitions, and even voices the narration. If you want to start a YouTube channel but don't know where to begin, this tool will get you started in minutes. So, those were 5 AI tools that are changing the game in 2024. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, create stunning visuals, or even start your own YouTube channel, these tools are here to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try. Until next time, take care and happy exploring.